Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the web. In today's tech segment, we're going to focus on a very important technology. It is called 3D printing and 3D printers. So we're going to talk about that today. I'm going to be really quick because it's fairly straightforward technology that has been around for the past, I would say, a decade. I've been hearing about it, or it's been in the limelight for about 5 years now or so. Persons been able to get their hands on some 3D printers from about 2015, 2013, if they're lucky. So in today's segment, this is coming from builtin.com, and it states that 3D printing uses computer aided design to create three-dimensional objects through a layering method, sometimes referred to as additive manufacturing. 3D printing involves layering materials like plastics, composite, or biomaterials to create objects that range in shape, size, rigidity, and color. Today, 3D printers can be seen building everything from homes to cars and even viable personal protective equipment, or PPEs, which are used by healthcare workers all over the world in the fight against COVID-19. So when the pandemic started and supplies were low, certain businesses were able to produce 3D printed PPEs equipment. Either they do it in-house at hospitals where they need them the most, or they did them in university labs or so forth. Places or industries that have the equipment were making PPEs. When the pandemic started, the COVID-19 pandemic started. All right, let's continue, guys. It'll be short, quick, simple. With hospitals overrun with COVID-19 stricken patients and the global supply of personal protective PPE and medical devices dwindling, the world turned to technology to solve this shortage. In fact, many healthcare facilities turned to 3D printing to supply their staff with much needed protective equipment, as well as the parts to fix their ventilators. What I just said. So we're going to go into details as to what 3D printing is. I did an overview before a few minutes ago. So it says, in short, 3D printers use computer aided design, or CAD, to create 3D images from a variety of materials like molten plastic or powders. No, they aren't like these magical boxes in sci-fi shows. Really, they're not. Rather, the printers, which act somewhat similarly to traditional 2D inkjet printers, use a layering method to create the desired object. Guys, remember when your printer uses a print head, your regular printer, your 2D printer, it uses a print head that makes the desired patterns or style on the paper that you use to print on. Get it? That's 2D. With the 3D, it uses You feed it a type of material and it stacks it layer by layer, so you can get the desired pattern or object that you want. So article continues, they work from the ground up and pile on layer after layer until the object looks exactly like it was envisioned. Just like what I said. These printers are extremely flexible in what can be printed. They can use plastics to print rigid materials like sunglasses. They can also create flexible objects like phone cases or bike handles. Using a hybrid rubber plastic powder, some 3D printers even have the ability to print with carbon fiber and metallic powders for extremely strong industrial products. Yeah, like what I said. You know, you feed it the material and you get the desired output. You know, you have different 3D printers, different sizes and so forth. I won't get into that right now. Guys, thank you for tuning into the web. I hope this was helpful. Hope you got some information from this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace out.